Today we're going to do a review on a new tool. This is a Kimball Midwest hydraulic battery terminal and lug crimper. It does a factory crimp to your lugs that go on the battery cable. Just wanted to show you a Chinese cable, real nice. Came off our winch that burned up. Anyway, on this tool, you strip back your cable end, get that pushed in all the way. Of course, it's stripped back farther than you normally, just so you can see it. You would slide it in, lock it down, and it's all hydraulic. You just pump it up. You just keep pumping until you can't pump it anymore. And that's it. It will not come out of there. No soldering. It's a real nice crimp. If you're interested in this tool, here's the part number and all the information that you would need. If I can get it in the shot here. There you go. Thanks for watching. This is Paul from P&B Auto. Have a good day.